How to enroll on the creator platform of Bo. In order to do that, you first need to have an account on Bo, and you also need to have created some bots. As you can see right here, I have created 2 bots in all of my time on Bo, and they actually have no restriction for this. So once you have created some bots, you should be able to see them right here when you click on your bots. So in here, from in there, you can head over and click on this creator option. Now I've already clicked the join option right here, so I now have this. Now you can earn around $100 per bot, and you can also earn $100 per 1,000 messages. So you can see this right here. You can see message earnings as well as subscriber earnings right here. And then you can see here that you just need to finish this step before October 9, wherein you just need to connect your Stripe. So from in there, click on this complete on Stripe, and then this will direct you to the next page, which is a Cora A, which is also powered by Stripe. So just enter in your email and then continue logging in and then adding your Stripe account from in there, and then you should be able to get paid on Bo. You can also see here some analytics that will help you estimate the number of earnings that you will have. So that's how to enroll on the creator platform of Bo. Hope to help.